morning, everybody. Welcome back to HPR Auto. We're starting this video off in something that I consider one of the sportiest sport SUVs out there. This is a 2016 Land Rover, Range Rover, whatever you want to call it. This is the SVR. It is a 5-liter V8 supercharged engine, and I'm really excited to take this one out. Just got this one in, and I'm just really excited about this because I love a good sport SUV. I've always considered if I ever become a parent and have kids, or I'm just gonna be like a really involved aunt, I'm just gonna have like the fastest SUV out there. At first it was a Trackhawk, now it's probably like a Cayenne Turbo GT, but I honestly, if I wanted to really ball out, I'd get the Range Rover SVR. Like I said, 5-liter V8 engine is incredible. Just driving around right now, it's really good visibility. I don't know if you can see how sporty these seats are, but they are very sporty. These are like GT style. This is like a GT style seat, which I'm really impressed with, by the way. Now let's go ahead and give it a little bit of so you can kind of hear the exhaust on this drive right now. You do have an active exhaust. You've got so many different driving modes, it's crazy on here. And I have them all at just like the turn of a dial, which is really, really sick. I am sitting up a little bit higher, but I kind of like that because it kind of just gives me the boss road presence that I've been searching for. You do have a full glass panoramic sunroof on here, which is very nice. I like it. I love full sunroofs. I love them. Now you do only have 2 rows of seats on here, but don't worry. That's okay. That is not a big deal. And we're gonna dive right into the interior spec of this right quick. But overall, like I said, on the drive, really comfortable. These seats, even if they are like GT style seats, they are very comfortable. They're fully electronically adjustable and it's just really comfortable. You do have heated and cooled seats on here, but let's go ahead and just dive into this spec because I really want to show you guys this one. Quite honestly, I don't know if we've ever reviewed a Range Rover or a Land Rover on this channel. We may have in the past, but I'm not too sure. Starting off with the interior, you've got a full black leather interior. You've got hints of carbon fiber throughout this interior as well. Now, like I said, I sit really high up on this in this seat, which isn't too bad. I kind of like it. I like the steering wheel. It's pretty comfortable and it's really easy to use. It kind of gives you that little comfort handle right there. And then you also have nice paddle shifters right there. Like I said, more carbon fiber accents all throughout this interior. One thing that's always thrown me off about Land Rover and Range Rover is that the start-stop button's way up here. Why are you so way up there and hidden away? But that's up there. You do have all your window controls right here. Moving on to the center console area, you do have your gear selector right here. You've got all of your driving modes right there. You can see your dynamic mode, comfort. You got snow, off-road, desert, and just hilly. You've got more terrain options within those modes. And then you also have your height adjustment. You do have your automatic start stop button. Your emergency brake is down here. Your exhaust, if you wanted to open up the valves on your exhaust, you got that right there. And then of course your old reliable, which is your traction control button right there. But the screen right there is an all digital display, which is actually pretty advanced for its time. Moving along to the other parts of this interior, this is a better look at the seat. This is a much better look at the seats. You can see these are very, very sporty style seats. Now this almost reminds me, it's like you could put a harness bar back here, that they just wanted to go this route. But again, they're very, very comfortable. They're fully automatically adjustable and they're heated and cooled, which is really, really big in my book, especially for a family SUV. So what's cool about this is you do have like a little bit of a cooler area right here, and then you can also just have a little quick storage area right there. You do have your USB plugins right there. Overall, nothing too crazy, just a pretty simple center console area. Forgot to mention you do have 2 cup holders right here, which again, we always love a good cup holder area. What's cool about this is that these are, I want to say they're like courtesy side steps because they do hide away, which is really nice. Looking at the back seats here, very, very sporty throughout. And then you again have that full panoramic sunroof, which is very clean, which is a very nice touch in my opinion. All really comfortable seats, really nice area for your 4 other passengers and your kids if you decide to put kids in this car. See what you're working with here. You do have that automatic lift gate, nice feature. Really, really nice trunk space. It's very deep. It is carpet. I would probably still put like liners in here just to protect that carpet, make sure it's not getting dirty. But this is the exterior of this SVR. Very, very clean. It's a full black on black exterior. You do have the blue Brembo brake calipers on there. really massive wheels. You got 22s in the front, and then I believe you got 22s in the back. Or it's a square setup right there on those Pirelli tires. Very clean. I love the full black on black look. I think it just looks stealthy. And then you do have the privacy tint on the windows, which is a really nice touch. Very clean exterior. I love the full black on black look. So this Range Rover only has 35,000 miles on it, which is, it's pretty well broken into, but it's ready for a whole new life ahead of it. I really do have, I've got the slightest, smallest soft spot for Range Rover and Land Rover. I think Land Rover as a brand is really good overlanding cars, and I think they've got tons of good potential. And then you've got the Range Rover has always been classified as that luxury brand. You see it a lot in like reality TV, see the Range Rovers and you think, wow, I really want that. But for me, I'd probably just go with like an old school Land Rover and just make an overland build out of it, honestly. But it's nice to appreciate the luxuries in life, especially with this SVR. It's really, really powerful, really classy, it's clean, tons of room inside. Like I said, 35,000 miles. But that's going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. If you're interested in this 2016 SVR, check out the link in the description. You can find out more pictures, get in contact with the team about this SVR, and schedule yourself a virtual tour. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.